Okay, welcome all. Welcome back to my channel Govardhan Pini. So here today we are with the live market analysis that's for pre-market. So yesterday, like we discussed, we were on a range bound mode in the morning, a followed by a trending move towards the end of the day. So if we see here on yesterday's chart, we clearly respected the resistance and support levels that we drew yesterday morning in our discussion. And let me just show you how the path went basically. So this is where we started on a gap up note yesterday, and from there we the first tick itself came down. From it was sort of a range bound for half an hour, and then a trend showed up, slight trend. Again, it was a range bound here, and again a trend showed up. Then, well, again a range bound here, a trend showed up. So, whenever there was a trend shown, option writers suffered a little. But aside that, I guess it was a day for option buyers. So it was a trend again. So at regular intervals, the market did give valid option buying chances, and there was significant gamma blast over here and also here, if we see that. So this was where a small interval happened around 2:45 to 3 o'clock, and then post 3 o'clock a big move came up. So, well, I wouldn't be surprised if that wasn't happening, because the way the premiums were down from Wednesday itself, it clearly indicated that they should be a gamma blast, and that's what we had seen in the last 1 hour yesterday, last half an hour to be precise. So we have seen that Nifty shot up from we 294 to 370, and that's like 384. So that's almost 90 points shoot up in the last half an hour, although we closed at a average of 337, because last half an hour averaging happens, and also yesterday there was rebalancing of MSCI index. So yeah, that's a short note on Nifty, but let's clear out the drawings from yesterday, and let's see what could be the trend today. So we are very close to all-time high if we actually see on a daily chart. So this is daily chart that I brought in. Let me just an escape, and you're right. So this is the daily chart that we can see, and the all-time high we are at is 14,431.75. So if you see, that's clearly marked, but let me just draw a line again. So this is the only resistance that we see right now, and well, we are above the previous resistance point too. That's around 15,336, and we closed at 15,337 slightly yesterday. So I guess we are at a decent point for now, and we can witness all-time high, and we shouldn't be surprised really if we witness all-time high also right today itself. But also, if the all-time high is not broken today, we might witness significant selling also, because that's what happened here, and that's been a trend. When all-time high isn't broken anytime, and it shows that there could be a significant downfall in the coming days. But let's suppose the all-time highs are broken today with pretty good volumes, then we can witness a rally from here towards 16,000. So yeah, that's on Nifty's front, and let's see what we can discuss about Bank Nifty here. So Bank Nifty also had a similar pattern yesterday as Nifty. So in the first tick itself, it crashed, resisted and crashed, then a pretty much range bound zone, then very small tick and then range bound, and then a small tick and then range bound, then a small tick and range bound. That's what happened till afternoon. And afternoon there was a significant movement of approximately 150 odd points. Then again a range bound move, then again a small uptick, and that continued a lot till mid noon. But around 1 o'clock, it did give a good up move, followed by a small range bound move, and then it again fell down. But did take support at 34,773 levels, level that we have been discussing from 3 days, I believe. And I guess, yeah, over there it took support and it really did bounce back. It almost gave a bounce of 400 plus points. So, yes, that's where we see right now. And let me just clear out the drawings. Oh, like we are discussing, we see that we have opened around the pre-market opening is around 35,345 for Bank Nifty. That's a new high in recent days because recently it was 35,216 and we broke that. And in Nifty, we see that 15,421 is a new high, and that's in pre-open. I guess we are just 11 points away from all-time highs right now. So yeah, let's see where we can discuss. So if Nifty continues to perform, I guess 15,500 is the resistance where we need to have a small watch because it's the psychological factor that would dominate rather than the technical factor at that point. And in Bank Nifty also 35,400 35,400 500 levels is a decent resistance, but I guess the gap up we are sort of opening around that point right now. So we are right that 35,200 was the previous high, and yesterday also it did try breaking that. Just did break yesterday, it touched and then fell down due to the averaging move. But today we are well above the 35,200 mark of 24th May. So I guess next resistance for BN would be 35,500 levels. Then we could see all the way till 36,500. So that's a 1,000 point up move if the next 150 points is survived and if we see a decent volumes on this side. So let me just mark it for you. So if this is a level to draw, and then this would be one more level, 35,550 levels. Well, we shouldn't be surprised if these levels are touched right away. So yes, that's for PN part, and support lies still at 34,300 zone on daily basis. But if we see on a smaller time frame, I believe we have supports at 35,700 levels and 35,500 levels. So I guess that's something good for us, and let's see how the day goes out as we if that's gonna be there as we plan or anything different. So yeah, see you on the other side, and let me just play also request if you already haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. The channel name is Govardhan Pini, and you'll be finding the daily analysis over here detailedly with the chart. And also we are trying to come up with new video content and also specific stock related stuff. Also, to keep you posted, we would actually come up with some educational videos giving basics about equity markets to beginners. Yeah, so that's a short note from my end. Happy trading, happy Friday, and a happy weekend too. Thank you.